Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Sa video na to ay ating pasukin ang J Park Island Resort and Water Park sa Cebu na isang 5-star hotel na located sa Maribago, Lapu-Lapu City, Mactan Island. Pero bago yan, kung bago ka sa aking channel, please subscribe ka muna at pakihit na rin ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong upload ni Mayumi. Ito nga pala guys ang kanilang reception area or yung kanilang lobby area at sobrang laki at lawak nito. At dahil nga isa siyang 5-star hotel kaya masasabi mo talagang grand hotel siya, lobby pa lang talagang mapapanganga ka na sa ganda. At dahil nga dito ginanap yung FIMO Finals, kaya dito na rin kami nag-book ng hotel sa J Park Island Resort. Nadaanan na rin namin guys yung kanilang Triton Grand Ballroom kung saan ginanap yung awarding ng FIMO Finals. At dito guys ay hinahanap na namin yung aming room. Kami ay nasa building D. Ayan, sobrang lawak ng kanilang pathway, hallway or pasilyo. Dito nga pala ay kita na rin ang view ng kanilang pool area at meron diyang nagfa-fire dancing. Ito na guys ang building D2E. Diyan yung room namin sa building D. At yan guys, dito kami na-assign sa room 552 at ang gagawin lang namin ngayong gabi ay maliligo at explore yung kanilang swimming pool. At eto na nga guys, at naka-ready na kami. For today's video ay pupunta tayo ngayon sa pool ng J Park. So, are you excited to go to swimming pool? Okay, so I'll follow you. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa pool area ng J Park Island Resort and Water Park at hahanapin lang natin yung kanilang reception din dito dahil kailangan natin mag-login ng name at room number para magamit natin yung amenities. Tingin ko ang malalim lang dito guys ay yung 5 feet. At ayan guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa kanilang pool staff. para kumuha tayo ng towel at mag-log tayo ng ating name at saka room number. Yan guys, so enjoy lang natin yung view ng night swimming dito sa J Park Island Resort and Water Park sa Cebu. Ayan guys, swerte namin dahil bukas ang kanilang pool ng 10 PM. Kaya kahit mga 8 na kami dito pumunta ay na-enjoy pa rin namin yung night swimming. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, sobrang laki ng pool area nila na ikaw na mismo yung magsasawang i-explore siya dahil sa isang area pa lang ay sulit na sulit ka na sa view at ambience at lawak ng lugar. O diba guys, sa ganda pa lang ng kanilang mga lightings ay talaga namang sulit na yung pagstay nyo dito. Kaya ayan guys, ating i-enjoy ang gabi dito sa J Park Island Resort and Water Park pool area.
I was sitting at a cafe, staring out the window, dreaming of a love like fire. Every moment led me to something, but I never could get higher. I was thinking one day maybe it happened. I believe in the magic, but fairy tales are lies. Mama always said, remember, do good, stay classy, forget the things that just don't matter, and you'll be happy. It might not be so perfect, but it will be worth it if you're true to who you are. So love me like my biggest fan. Just love me the way no one can. Rediscover happiness, be all that I can be. More freedom, a little less lonely, and love me, and love me. I can be funny, I can be lovely, I can be what you dream of. But I've been patient and I'm sick of waiting. Maybe I just won't find love. Every time I think I met the right guy, then it turns into ashes. 'Cause fairy tales are lies. Mama always said, remember, do good, stay classy, forget the things that just don't matter, and you'll be happy. It might not be mama said, you better stay classy. Mama said, you better be happy. So love me like my biggest fan. Just love me the way no one can. Rediscover happiness, be all that I can be. More freedom, a little less lonely.
Ayan guys, after ng swimming ay explore lang dito sa loob ng J Park Island Resort and Water Park. And kung mapapansin nyo, maganda yung design ng mga ilaw nila. Nakakasosyal, tsaka Instagrammable yung ganda. Yung ambience niya is sosyalin, parang sa movie na Walk in the Park ang peg. So, ayan guys, alam naman natin na kapag 5-star, medyo pricey. Pero sulit na sulit naman yung aming stay dito sa J Park Island Resort and Water Park sa Cebu. Kaya kung may plano rin kayong bumisita ng Cebu, yan, recommended tong J Park Island Resort and Water Park. At hindi kayo magsisisi sa bayad ninyo dahil talaga namang sulit na sulit yung stay nyo dito. Kaya naman guys, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong upload ni Mayumi. Till my next video guys!
Won't you tell me how you feel? What your true intentions are? Boy, you'll have to raise the bar if you want me, baby. Something needs to change. I'm done wondering. I want clarity. No more